2018 Toyota 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, home-link garage door opener, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, CD player, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.